Here's how to log out on WhatsApp. It's quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. If you are using WhatsApp on your mobile phone, then there is no option to log out from it. To log out your WhatsApp on your device, you can simply uninstall your app. I would recommend you to create a chats backup before deleting your WhatsApp app. Go to the settings option and then click on the chats. Here you have to create a chats backup on your Google Drive if you are using on Android. If you are on iPhone, then you can create a chats backup on iCloud. After that, you can simply uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it. After reinstalling, you can create a new account there, or you can simply log into your existing account by adding that existing number. So that's how to log out on WhatsApp.